Understanding Tricky Korean Expressions. Episode 1.
머리를 잘랐어요.
주말 잘 보냈어요?
네, 잘 보냈어요.
주말에 뭐 했어요?
머리를 잘랐어요.
Did she cut her head?
머리를 잘랐어요.
Translates to I got my haircut in English. Although
머리,
usually means head, it can also mean hair in Korean. So when someone says
머리를 잘랐어요.
they're using
머리,
to mean hair, not head. Let's go over 5 expressions using
머리,
in different tenses to understand how this works. Number 1.
머리를 잘라요.
I get my haircut. The verb
잘라요.
comes from the verb
자르다.
meaning to cut. Can we learn this sentence in past, present, and future forms? Past tense.
머리를 잘랐어요.
머리를 잘랐어요.
I got my haircut. Present tense.
머리를 잘라요.
머리를 잘라요.
I get my haircut. Future tense.
머리를 자를 거예요.
머리를 자를 거예요.
I'm going to get my haircut. Number 2.
머리를 길러요.
I grow my hair. The verb
길러요.
is the polite form of
기르다.
which means to grow. Let's say this sentence in the past, present, and future tenses. Past tense.
머리를 길렀어요.
머리를 길렀어요.
I grew my hair. Present tense.
머리를 길러요.
머리를 길러요.
I grow my hair. Future tense.
머리를 기를 거예요.
머리를 기를 거예요.
I'm going to grow my hair. Number 3.
머리를 염색해요.
I dye my hair. The verb
염색해요.
is the polite form of
염색하다.
meaning to dye. Can you practice this sentence in 3 tenses with me? Past tense.
머리를 염색했어요.
머리를 염색했어요.
I dyed my hair. Present tense.
머리를 염색해요.
머리를 염색해요.
I dye my hair. Future tense.
머리를 염색할 거예요.
머리를 염색할 거예요.
I'm going to dye my hair. Number 4.
머리를 묶어요.
I tie my hair back. The verb
묶어요.
is the polite form of
묶다.
which means to tie. Let's practice changing this sentence into 3 different tenses. Past tense.
머리를 묶었어요.
머리를 묶었어요.
I tied my hair back. Present tense.
머리를 묶어요.
머리를 묶어요.
I tie my hair back. Future tense.
머리를 묶을 거예요.
머리를 묶을 거예요.
I'm going to tie my hair back. Number 5.
머리를 말려요.
I dry my hair. The verb
말려요.
comes from
말리다.
meaning to dry. Let's work on saying this sentence in different tenses. Past tense.
머리를 말렸어요.
머리를 말렸어요.
I dried my hair. Present tense.
머리를 말려요.
머리를 말려요.
I dry my hair. Future tense.
머리를 말릴 거예요.
머리를 말릴 거예요.
I'm going to dry my hair. In this video, we learned several expressions using
머리,
all of which are commonly used in daily conversations in Korean. Try to remember them and use them in your own conversations. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Korean language content. We'll be back soon with more fun and useful phrases. See you in the next video.